Hi, welcome to Sociology 227. Welcome back to those of you who are with us in SOCY 226, and hi to everybody who's joining us for the first time. I'm Thomas Abrams. In this course, we are going to do contemporary sociological theory. Now, in the past course, we focused on writing and small assignments. In this course, you are going to develop a research paper. To do so, we're going to have 3 consecutive assignments: an outline assignment, an annotated bibliography assignment, and a final paper. They are due February 18th, March 25th, the same day as my dad's birthday, Dr. Garth Abrams, and April 8th, the same day as my mother's birthday, Dr. Suzanne Abrams. Because this is the focus of the course on writing, we are going to have tutorials this year. Each of those tutorials will be focused on different writing skills. I know you think you already did all this in Sociology 122. We're going to do it again. Practice, practice, practice. These are the skills you're going to need to succeed in Queen's Sociology or any other course where you have to write. So, I'm going to release 2 videos a week for the first 6 weeks until the winter break, and we're going to reevaluate whether or not we're going to deliver the course remotely or in person. What do you have to do? Each week you have to watch the videos, you're supposed to do the readings, and attend your tutorial. They're going to start next week. I know we don't want to do this remotely, but that's how the cookie crumbled this year. Okay? You're going to be assigned a TA based on the group that you signed up for. Please email them if you have any questions about the course material, and please read the syllabus. I already posted an announcement about this. All of the assignments are up right now, and you'll be able to see on OnCue when they are due. Thanks again for joining us in SOCY 227. I'll see you next week.